Skincare serums can be absolutely miraculous for your skin. No doubt about it. These little miracle workers can brighten, renew, erase, even lift up your skin, but they can also bring your budget down. So today I'm giving you 5 under 50 that are just as good at delivering results as their luxury brand contemporaries. So if you want to save some money on some really good skincare, this is for you. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 5 serums that are under $50 that are just as powerful and can deliver just as good results as their luxury brand contemporaries. Now, if you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert, and on this channel we talk about skincare products, skincare reviews, skincare problems, which we solve those. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please be sure and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are up each week. So as you guys know, on this channel, I often focus, almost all of the time always focus on the ingredients or active ingredients in products rather than the brand name. And cost is certainly one of those reasons. I mean, some of these skincare serums are upwards of $200. I mean, it can get really skincare crazy out there. Now, that's not to say there are not some products out there, especially multitasking serums, that don't justify the high price, but you can get excellent results from well-formulated serums without spending a fortune. I mean, ingredients just don't lie. So for that reason, I put together this quick list of 5 under 50 skincare serums that can really deliver for you. All of them available at your favorite retailer and online, and I will put links to these products down below in the video description box. First up, we're going to be talking about skin brightening serums, so you know we're talking about vitamin C, and the one that I recommend is Olay Henriksen's Truth Serum. Now that's a product that I have reviewed on this channel before. It's very well formulated with vitamin C, glycolic acid, and vitamin E. The formulation is 15% L-ascorbic acid, which is enough to give you some really great results, along with hydrolyzed collagen and glycerin for extra hydration. So this makes this a very well-rounded formulation. This formula will smooth and brighten your skin. At the same time, it adds moisture, all for 48 bucks. Okay, so now let's talk about collagen and elastin. You know, the things that hold your skin together, make it supple, strong, flexible, and look youthful. Yeah, unfortunately, we produce less and less of the peptides that make that happen as we get older. So a good peptide serum that I'd like to recommend is the Inky List Collagen Booster with Matrixyl 3000. Now, Matrixyl 3000 is simply a proprietary blend of multiple peptides, and it can be found in some of the most expensive skincare serums there are. However, you can pick up this powerful serum for only 11 bucks. All right, so what about a serum that addresses large pores, acne-prone skin, and even acne breakouts? Well, I have a powerful one for you today, and that is Caudalie Vino Pore Minimizing Serum. Now, this is a very unique salicylic acid formulation in that the salicylic acid is naturally derived and in a buffered formulation. It includes grapeseed polyphenols, which help decongest the pores and make them look smaller, while the salicylic acid helps exfoliate dead skin cells to keep you from getting breakouts. They also included rosewater in this formulation, which I really like because that helps moisturize and offset the dryness that salicylic acid a lot of times can cause on your skin. This is a really super mild but effective formulation in a serum, all for 48 bucks. Now, if dark spots and hyperpigmentation are your issue, you already know how damn expensive dark spot correctors can be. I go into Sephora all the time to get products to review for this channel, and every time I go and look at these, I'm just like amazed. $184, $224. Yeah, that's expensive. We know retinoids are extremely effective in the long term in reversing sun damage, hyperpigmentation, and dark age spots. The Ordinary brand, which is one of my favorites, one I've reviewed on this channel a million times, has a product that actually delivers multifold effects from its retinoid solution, and that is its Grand Active Retinoid 2% emulsion. This is a really advanced retinoid solution that will deliver. I'm telling you, it's a very powerful product. It will not only address the dark spots and hyperpigmentation, but it will also work on fine lines and wrinkles, and that's a whole lot of delivery of a product for $8. Now, one of the magical things about serums is that they can really speed up cellular turnover, which is extremely important because as we age, that slows way down and leads to blocked pores, larger looking pores, dull, dry, flaky skin, and it contributes greatly to fine lines and wrinkles. Ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid all can speed up that turnover, help those dead skin cells slough off, and bring new skin forward. After researching absolutely a ton of these acids, I ended up choosing one that was my favorite from last year, and that is the Ordinary's Peel Solution. 30% AHA, 2% BHA. Now, the important thing to know about AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids and BHAs are beta hydroxy acids is that they do some similar things to the skin, but in different ways. AHAs attack and help slough off that outer layer of dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. So they help brighten and make your skin tone look very nice and even. While BHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, like salicylic acid, will go down into the pore. They're able to seep down in there and help decongest or exfoliate dead skin cells out of your pores, which makes the pores look smaller, which really combats breakouts and fine lines and wrinkles. So by applying this product a couple times a week, it's like getting a salon grade skin peel that's going to keep your skin looking absolutely fresh and make all the other serums that we've already discussed actually work better. Now, you would think you'd pay a lot of money for this product. No, it comes in at around $11. Now, I hope this video gave you some power serum alternatives that you can apply to your own skincare routine to not only give you great looking skin, but to save you some money. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and give it a like and comment below, and be sure and share it out. Also, be sure to check out the videos that are coming up next so that you can learn how to perfect your own skincare routine for your skin type. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. You know I love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.